everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you my new favorite toy. It's called WebPaint. If you Google WebPaint, the first hit will come up. WebPaint for Google Chrome. This is an extension. So when you click on that, you're going to want to click over here, Add to Chrome. Add extension. And it only takes a second, and it should be pop up right there. Alright. Now, you'll see it hidden here, but up here is all your other extensions. You can click on that, and then when you see Google Chrome, WebPaint, click it to pin it. So you see this little pin icon, you can pin it. It won't let you write on this page, but how is this useful? If you went to a website like this, when I click on this WebPaint icon, there we go. When you click on the WebPaint icon, let me get out of it, and there you go. Mathisfun.com looks like this, and click on this icon. And there's different tools you can do. So I can draw my own tools here. I don't like that color, so I'm going to change the color. I don't like the size, so I'm going to change the size. Let's try it again. There we go. Now I want to make a really nice triangle. And I'm doing it right on top of their web page, which is really kind of cool. There's other things you can put text. Text. Yeah, I can spell. Vectors and stuff. Curves and paint stuff and all kinds of little things here. You'll want to play around with this a little before you use it with the students, because you can close the control box or you can exit, and exiting will take it off, which is kind of cool. Put it back on again, and there it is. So that's pretty darn cool. I dig it. I love it. It's my new favorite thing this week. So thanks for checking in. That's my new favorite thing.